Hi and welcome back. In this video, let's see how to make Khaman Dhokla using an instant pot. Khaman is a Gujarati dish that is popular all over India. It's frequently eaten for breakfast but also can be had anytime during the day. This can also be made on the stovetop using an independent steamer. If you have a idli steamer, you can completely use that. If this is your first time on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. In order to make the cake, we will need around 1.5 cups of chickpea flour and 1 cup of water. And we'll need 1 lime, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of turmeric powder. So to make sugar syrup, you will need half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda, 4 slit green chilies, and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So the first step is to make the batter. Gather a mixing bowl and a whisk to make the batter. To bake any cake, it's always suggested to sift the flour, and I have sifted this twice so there are no lumps in it. Add turmeric into this, and always with basin, go easy on salt as well. I've added around 1 teaspoon of salt. So keep adding water in intervals. If you add all the water at once, there are good chances of lumps forming. Now I'm gonna add some lime juice into this. So this is at a good consistency and it does not have any lumps. So I'm gonna let this batter sit for an hour. It's very important for the batter to ferment. So I'm gonna leave this for an hour. So it's been an hour and I've let this ferment. At this point, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda and also half a teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm gonna mix this thoroughly. Add baking powder and soda. You can notice that the volume is kind of increasing because the soda and powder are reacting with the batter. So that's good. Mix this for around a minute. So now take a cake tin or cake pan. You can take any steel utensil that is round in shape, or you can take a glass bowl that's microwave safe. So I have coated the utensil with the non-stick spray. So this will help the cake come out easily. And now pour your mixture into the pan. So now let's take a look at the IP settings. Turn on saute mode and let the temperature be in more, or this is high temperatures, and add around 1 to 2 cups of water and let the water come to a boil. So you can notice the steam coming out, and at this point I'm gonna place my inner pot into the instant pot and close the lid and set this to steam for 15 minutes. And make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. So I have let the pressure release naturally for around 13 minutes now. So now I'm gonna do a quick release. Once you open a lid, take a toothpick and try to check if it's cooked thoroughly. If your toothpick comes out clean, it's cooked well. So take the dhokla out. So while this is cooling, I'll go ahead and make the sugar syrup. Just take a pan, turn on heat, and let's wait for a minute for the pan to heat up. Once the pan is hot, add oil, and let's wait for a minute for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add your mustard seeds, and let's wait for a minute for them to splutter. And now add curry leaves, and then add your green chilies. And into this, add around 100 ml of water. And once the water is boiling, add sugar. Add some salt if needed. Turn off the stove and add some lime juice and let this cool down. Make sure the sugar is dissolved completely. So this has completely cooled down in around 10 minutes. So take a knife and make sure it's not sticking to the sides, and flip it, and there you go. And you can see how light you can see how fluffy this is. So let's pour the sugar syrup on this and let this soak and sit in this syrup for around 10 minutes. This is too good. Kids will love it. So that's it, guys. Dhokla is ready. I hope you enjoyed this dish. I would also love to get your feedback on what kind of dishes you would love to see on my channel. So please leave a comment. And if you have any tips or tricks that you would like to share, please leave a comment and I would love to read them. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such recipes and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. See you all in the next video. Bye. And we need punch of turmeric powder.
Punch ka.
We need this should be in a consistency of idli batter. That's the South Indian in me talking.